All right, so here we have the first DIY. We got some chargers here, some flowers, some picture frames, and some rhinestones. So it looks like all of these items you can find from the dollar store. So she's taking the chargers and then adding the robe. And what I like about this project is you can spray, change up the paint with these chargers. So you can do a different color if you wanted to. You don't necessarily have to do silver. And it just looks like a nice way to do like a nice little creative sign throughout your home. Very cute and simple DIY. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone making some cardboard inspired shelves. Wow, those came out absolutely amazing. Then we have an IKEA hack. So IKEA actually has some really nice curtains. This looks so high-end and professional. Oh, I just love the aesthetic of their home. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Definitely my personal taste and style. And those curtains really do elevate the room. So next up we have someone, it looks like they're doing the infamous TikTok mirror hack here. Very nice. I always love watching that one. And then we move on to some type of photo frame DIY. So it looks like they have like some old photo frame that they're going to be using for this one. Oh, they're drawing on it. Painting it. Wow, it looks like stained glass. This is really pretty. What a creative idea. Wow, that is absolutely stunning. So cool. And then we have someone decorating. I want to know how they made this wall vase thing that they have, because that was pretty cool. Plastic bottles and some spray paint. Okay, so this is her making it now here, I guess. And what's nice about this DIY is you can switch out the colors or the flowers or whatever that you want for each season. So you can do like spring. This to me looks like more like fall that she did here, but really cool idea. Plant gallery wall. Trace your favorite frames until it looks right. So she looks like she used like some type of brown paper to do that. I didn't know that plant gallery walls were a thing. Alright, so here's someone with some canvas, some paint. Wow. Oh, she is really talented. Oh, a butterfly on the... Oh, wow. This is so cool. I wonder if she sells her art, because that is just amazing. Oh my goodness, this is IKEA. Wow. So she did some built-ins here with some IKEA shelves. So they put together the IKEA thing. They got some like high-end countertop. Wow, this is crazy. I wonder how long this would last though, because to be honest, IKEA furniture does not last that long, but if you're giving it like an upgrade like this, it'll probably last a lot longer. Unreal. Such a nice built-in too. Oh, looks like some more artwork here. Looks like they're painting clouds, the sky, like it's a storm. Lightning. Oh, lightning over the sea. Wow. That's amazing. Okay, so here is a hack for covering up your cords or your outlets or your electrical unit devices, whatever you call these. Well, this is such a creative idea. Very nice. All right, so we have another furniture flip here. What did this look like to start off with? Because this looks like she completely built this from scratch, to be honest. I really like this color she used. It's like the perfect neutral shade. All right, so we got a mirror DIY here. Looks like they have some type of photo frame here. Oh, they put the mirrors in the frame. Okay. And then some type of vase. Easy DIY vase. Very nice. It's a planner. Planner, vase. Very nice. I love their home. I love this aesthetic too. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY projects with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And you can check out this one if you want to see even more DIY projects and reactions.